Hey Weight Wanters, we are back again with another video, and in today's Weight Gain Wisdom episode, we are going to be going through a myth or a tip. Can you spot gain weight? So can you go to a specific area and only gain weight in that area? Yes or no? Is it true or is it false? So the short answer to that question is no. However, the long and technical answer to that question is kind of. To break it down to the basics, guys, just like when it comes to losing weight, you cannot specifically go to the body and only say, hey, lose fat in that area, or hey, gain muscle in this area, or hey, gain fat in this area. Unfortunately, the body doesn't work like that. It is all or nothing. So if you are going to lose weight, you're going to have to lose fat all over and then start to build muscle in the areas that you want to focus on. And the same thing applies to weight gain. So when it comes to gaining weight, you're going to want to eat in a calorie surplus in order for you to generally put on size and weight. And then you're going to use the gym to help chisel out the body and the shape that you want for yourself. The number one thing that you're going to want to do when it comes to gaining weight in general is increase your calories. If you want some more advice when it comes to increasing your calories, I will link in the description or in this video to our Instagram post where we have given you guys a few tips on how to easily increase your calories throughout the day. So guys, when it comes to gaining weight and gaining weight in specific areas, that is not going to happen from your gym training if you are not eating what you need to be eating. So like I said earlier, if you're going to the gym and training glutes 3 times a week, but you're not eating enough to be in a calorie surplus, then you're probably not going to see those gains, and you might even lose weight. An easy way to think of it, guys, is think of it like an outfit. So your diet is going to be the base of your outfit, the nice dress that you got on, and the gym is going to be all the accessories that take that outfit from a 7 to a 10 out of 10. Okay, so the gym is where, like I said, you can really manipulate the shape of your body, you can create curves, and you can focus on specific areas in the gym. However, like I said, you need to make sure that you are eating to supplement the growth. I hope this video has answered your question, and we'll be back again soon with another Weight Gain Wisdom. Until then, happy gaining!